Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, makeup unboxings, pretty much anything related to makeup or beauty. And today we're going to be playing with Roots Cosmetics, the 70s palette, and it's called Hippie Doll. I think this palette is just so cute. It comes with a little mirror inside, and these colors, it's all like triangles. And I'm going to tell you something. The shimmers, even the, like matte colors are so creamy. But I've done my research on the 70s. And they are more cream palettes. And there is 4 of the first row. And this is, let me see, the last one in. No, that's it. No. Alright, so I swatched these 4 right here. Then we're going to do these 3. Like, you can see how creamy it is. It's like indenting. But I did do, like, some research on the 70s look. I am going to do, not today, but a complete 70s look. And the last one is this beautiful shimmer pink. So really, in the 70s, they done a lot of cream makeup and some, I don't know, not completely like we do today. Today, I'm going to be using, like, some of my favorite colors. I love red, so I'm going to use this red. First, I'm going to start with this pink. Then I'm going to do the red, and then I'm going to do this purple. And then maybe this color, I'm not really for sure. And these 2 colors. Okay, I think I might just use, no, I got my mirror. So, and I think with all the research I done, they've done like a lot of like pastel colors, and it was pretty much like from all the way up to the brow. But we are not going to do that today. We're going to do like the normal eye look. But I am going to do a 70s look. And I'm going to start with that really light, like matte pink. And I'm just going to use this like Jeffree Star Morphe brush. And I'm just putting it slightly like on the crease and a little over and blending it out real good. Okay, so I got that the way I want it. And next, I'm going to use this other Jeffree and Morphe. It's the JS8 brush. And I'm going to dip into that red. I'm really going to darken my crease up with it. Now, if they perform the way I want them to, like everything's going to be like really bright and stuff, this is going to be a pretty look. And if it's dull, I don't know what I had vision. Okay, so I want to go back in with that first color I used and just really like blend out the rough edges so everything is smooth. Okay, I kind of wish on the red that I would have used like more of a smaller brush like this, or maybe a smaller brush like this, or maybe like a taper blending brush, or like something to pack it on and then blend it out. I think it would have been better, but I am liking the results so far. I do wish the red would be just a little bit more intense. Now we are going to go in with this purple. It does have, you guys seen the smoke, it's got some fallout. Really, I'm just trying to place the purple where I want it. Then I'm going to blend it out. I wish this purple was just a little bit more, like, bolder. But I will just build it up. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving how this is turning out. Okay, next I am going to cut my crease, because I know that red's going to be a little bit too intense to put anything over it, especially that purple. So I'm just going to start with a clean blend. So I got my crease cut the way I want it. And I think I'm going to first take, it does have a little fallout. I don't know if you can tell. My under eyes, I'm going to tell you guys, looks completely awful. It's not like it's dried or like makeup's caking or anything. I have a severe rash, like from here to here on both sides of my eyes. I was going to make this video yesterday, and the rash was so bad, and I was like, anything like skincare, anything is like, burns it. So I went ahead and just used some like rash cream and put it on yesterday, which I've had the rash like the last 2 or 3 days. I don't know what caused it. I think that it was a reaction from an eye cream and something, Vicks Vapor Rub is the only thing I can think of. I think I changed my eye cream like one night, and since then, I don't care what I put on, it's like the rash gets worse. So last night I did, like yesterday, I wouldn't put nothing on. I try to like cover it up really good today, but it does look pretty awful. Okay, so back to this. I am going to use this Luna Magic brush that I got on add-ons from Boxy. Okay, and I just really want to stamp this here at the end. Actually, with the brush, it's doing really good. I didn't think it would, but I do have some other palettes by Root Cosmetics. I've got one. It's called Netflix and Chill or something like that. I forget what it is, but it has purples in it and pinks and some blues, and I absolutely love that palette. I haven't used it in a couple of months, but it is one of my favorites. I forgot to tell you guys, the primer that I did use today is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You. I either use this or my NYX primer, or I have another primer. I forget the name of it. It's a different one. That's normally what I use. Sometimes I do. I have one primer. I've lost it. Never got to use it. Then I am going to go in with this like pink right here. And put it on the rest. It's like a pinkish purple. It is like gorgeous. And I'm really just patting this on. I'm really not trying to rub it because it is like a shimmer color. So I do try just to like pretty much pat it to make it show up better. Because it seems like if you like try to blend it out, they don't do that good. But I don't know. Let me try it. I don't know. It's doing about the same. Okay. So I got that. And really, let me grab don't think I brought another brush. It's all right. I am going to take the lightest shade. It's just creamy, like pinkish color right here. And just put it, like just pop it in the tear duct area. Okay, I also want to use that shade like for my brows. I haven't put anything on them yet, so oh, like maybe a little too much there. Yeah, I might even fall out with that. So I'm just going to take that purple back in there and fix it. Okay, so I got that. Then I'm going to pop this brush. Anytime I'm using the same brush, if I am like when I cut my crease or if I'm going to use the same brush, I do like to keep either a paper towel, a makeup wipe, or something, or a makeup like towel. This is like a little finger one, and I'll just take it, I'll lay it down beside me, and I'll just wipe it to make sure I do have a color switch, but it seems like I've misplaced it, but I will take something and wipe the colors, just so that I am not like mixing colors. What I want to do is, I'm going to use this red again on this shader brush, and it's a Luna Magic 2, and I'm just going to go like right underneath the waterline. And just connect. Okay, so next I am going to take this other Luna Magic brush, and I am going to take this like light pink, and I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so I absolutely love how this has turned out. Let me throw some, because I know it looks a little weird right now, but I promise it is going to look good when I get some mascara, lashes, and liner on, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I have my liner, lashes, mascara on. I am like absolutely loving this look. It turned out so good. I really, really like Ruby Cosmetics. When I first seen this, I love the colors layout, but I do want to go in with this really like light pink. I think it would make it's kind of hard to like dab this brush in, but I want to use it as a highlighter. You gotta be careful because that pink wants to come off. Makes such a pretty highlighter. Okay, so I am loving that. On lipsticks, I know like my eyes are like doing a lot, so I really don't want to do like a lot for my lips. I was trying to debate on this one. It's by Rimble, but I really like this Tarte, but I haven't used this gloss yet, so I know I want to maybe go in with this gloss. I think I will use this Rimble and just go. So I got that. Then I'm going to go in with this Luna by Luna. And the color of this one is 050 Paradise. I've had it for a while. I've just not used it that much. And this is the Luna by Luna lip gloss. And it is in the color Venus. I actually got this for $1 last month from Boxy Add-ons. I really just want to put that in the center. And I absolutely love the look. This is something I would wear all the time anyway. Reds and purples are my favorite. For purples, you guys know I wear them a lot. But I really like reds. I got a red palette here, like, with some reds in it last month. Cannot figure out where I place it. Because I've been wanting to use it. Because I absolutely love reds. They pop up really good. But I love this. I think red and purple together looks really, really good. And I guess that is it. But Root Cosmetics, it is more like an indie brand. But you get them in your lashy box sometimes. But I absolutely love them. I even got lashes by them. But they are a really good cosmetics brand. They've never failed me yet. And I love these lashes that I'm wearing today. It is the Root lashes. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to help me out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will know when I upload again. And you guys have a good day. See y'all in the next one. Bye.